going on, guys? It's Toby here, and today we're gonna finally see the Ford GT replica that I may actually end up getting. So we came all the way to London to see this car because they have these replicas here for a lot cheaper than they do in the States, and there is a possibility that I might be able to import one. So I think the one we're gonna see today is red, and there's also a Golf livery.
Golf livery, yeah, the one with the orange.
They also have Daytona coupes too.
Nice.
And
I like
Cobra
those
cars. So they have a bunch of replicas here, and it's going to be super awesome. I already reached out to the dealer, and they said we're set to go over there and record some stuff. Sunset or sunrise, oops, is reminding me of
what?
Good Morning by Kanye West.
Hey, banger.
We're going 48 hours strong, not a single freaking ounce of sleep. I'm going crazy, bro.
Caffeine running through the bloodstream, that's it.
Yeah, and we're doing a whole bunch today too. We're not just going to see the Ford GT. We'll also do some other stuff. We'll probably come back over here, or maybe see something else.
Wait, Aston early in the morning?
Oh yeah.
Chilling.
Oh yeah, look at that. What is that, a DB11?
Yeah, I think so.
That's good.
First spot of the day.
Might think that was a Vantage. I'm not entirely sure. I don't know those cars like that, but Chris does.
Whatever it is, we love it. It was
Yeah,
Aston Martin
it
Vantage
looked nice.
DB11.
Oh, we also saw, what was the coolest car we saw? Oh yeah, the Aston Martin F1 edition.
Oh my gosh, that thing sounded nice.
Yeah, Xander has a video of that. I gotta pull that clip off. 6 in the morning again. No sleep in another one of these. I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Yeah, I feel you.
Definitely don't be mimicking.
Double vlog?
my,
Double vlog? Vlog on vlog?
me filming you. Let's see if we can get a snack too, or we're gonna get breakfast, right?
Yeah, we're getting some breakfast. So, you know,
Alright.
we'll just get this on the side and then we go get some good eats.
That's what I call the breakfast of champions.
Yes,
After not sleeping for as long as we haven't. I usually don't eat white bread, but can make an exception so I don't starve today.
Breakfast everything opens at like 8 a.m. So like, you know, we gotta get a little something in the system.
Yeah, there's nothing to eat, bro. And I went to sleep starving. Actually get a cart. Go down, go down. Actually sit. Yeah. Alright, bro. Just get it. Bro was hacking, bro. So we have one more platform to get on, to get onto another train now. It's so busy. This is the one we're supposed to be at, right? Over here? Or where?
Just anywhere over here.
Bro, I keep touching this stupid screen and it goes into spot focus. How do I control that?
You literally...
Can you like
You could
control
disable
that?
the screen.
It's not the longest thing, so I'm like... What's up? I think this shit is catching.
Oh yeah, I really think so. Like,
The whole thing is shaking and screeching and making loud noises. Like, it's definitely outdated. It's been around for since forever.
ton of time.
What'd you say, Chris? You're sick and tired of what?
We got on the wrong train. Wait, no, we got off. No, we got off, and then
Now
we
we're
were
back
supposed to get
on?
back.
Whoa, whoa.
No, we're good. We're on the right train now.
We have to get on the bus now, and we just bust down and ate some burgers and stuff. But this is the last thing we need to do before we see the Ford GT.
Yep.
So, one step away. I don't know. Apparently, this is our stop. I didn't really want to film that much there because we're on the top floor, and apparently this is our stop. So, yeah, I don't know what's up with that. What are we supposed to do? So the place is right there.
In there somewhere.
Right there. I thought you said we have like a 10-minute walk.
Nah, three.
Oh, man, we are close.
Yeah, we were very.
This is gonna be sick, guys. This is like the big reveal time. What we've been waiting for a while, so. Chris, you almost got nailed. You guys need to recognize how much of an effort we're going through just to see this car. Like, this is nuts, man. Like, random freaking side road that we're walking down.
He got smacked by a damn van just now. Like, he did not care.
Yeah. 2-hour drive, 2-hour freaking train ride just to get here.
And
too.
boss.
Huh?
And walk. And
Oh, yeah.
boss and walk.
Yep. On top of it, on top of it, on top of it. So it's just been a journey. Oh, I see them in the back. Yep. We are here now.
You're definitely here.
Let's talk to him first, and then bring out
whip
the
out. Yeah,
cameras.
alright.
It's just gorgeous. That's a Cobra or what?
Yeah, Cobra, yeah. And then we've got 2 GT40s there, and then we've got another one. Is it GT40s you like?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the, that's the Mark 1, right?
Yeah, they're Mark 1s. Yeah. I've got another Mark 1 out here. We had another 2. I've got the lovely ring, I've got ramp down.
And like what? So you like order these and then there's like a build time?
No. New ones now are like 145 grand, 125 plus like 20% VAT. So they're they've all shot up now. So anyone that wanted one, you know, at that kind of budget, this stuff's gone through the roof now, you know. So
yeah.
And this guy still makes
huge.
Yeah. Yeah, they'll be like 285s on that.
Really?
You need it, yeah. It's like 500 and.
Oh, but the aspect ratio is huge. That's a thick tire. That's crazy.
That's insane.
So that's a 402 cubic inch one?
Yeah, 402, yeah. Have a laugh at something, they're wicked. Yeah,
so which engine do you have in this one? The 302?
Yeah, this is the 5-litre Ford engine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
It's carved, right? Like,
yeah, absolutely.
One of the first cars kicking around. They're still around now, and they'll still be around in another 100 years because the simplicity of it, you can reproduce and make, for not a lot of money, any component on that car.
That's sick. Is that like a 50 shot?
Yeah. Hey, gets that work done.
And this Daytona Coupe is probably the coolest car besides the Ford GT. I mean, I was showing it a little bit earlier. It's sick. The gauges on the inside. Yeah, this thing is sick. And then the fat tire, and that's a street tire. It looks like a drag tire.
Penny here real quick. They said we weren't gonna come, but we did.
Yeah, exactly, bro. So here's another one of the GT40s they have here. They actually sold it. So this thing is a customer car, but it is so dope. Can we move around here? Look at the inside. It's like so accurate. The only difference here is that it has a 302 instead of the 427. Chris, honest question, which one would you go with? Daytona Coupe or the
Daytona
GT40? Yeah, I like the Daytona Coupe now more that I see it in person. I'm not gonna lie.
Don't get me wrong.
The GT is insane.
Is insane. Love it.
But I feel like that's more shootable.
Yeah.
And honestly, that's my favorite color out of all of them here. But I like this one. I mean, this one probably makes dumb power. It's probably blown too. I feel like it is. It might be NA. I don't know. That's plenty of power in this car because it's so light. Look at this thing, Chris.
That's insane. Look at the car when you see this.
Yeah. This is my favorite Cobra here, but this is my favorite color. The interior on this Cobra is my favorite, honestly. Like, that is crazy. I'd like to own one of these one day too.
The second one in over there, that's called a Hawk 289, and they're, you know, more cheaply built certainly, but they're a lovely car. They've got like a Rover V8, like one of our like all aluminium. I mean, it's not a lot of horsepower there, but they're a really nice and lightweight engine.
Alright, yeah, I'm definitely
2 feet first, please. I've got a meeting coming up, but just talk yourselves, lads.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, so now I get to step inside one of these. But oh my god. Chris, it's insane. Like, you feel so low to the ground.
Wow.
Straight up race car.
Raw as it comes.
Yeah.
How do you feel, Toby?
Crazy, bro.
Wow.
So the shifter on these cars is still on the right side, even though it's right-hand drive. And look at that. Fuel, left, right. I guess you have the right and left tanks. And then we crank this. I'm just joking. I'm not gonna crank it up, but this thing is crazy. Like, this is insane. Get in there and let me know how that feels. I wonder if the Ford GT suits me. You gotta do 2 feet at the same time, so like you lay on it, and then you go in.
Gotcha.
How's it feel?
Oh my gosh, you're like
So low to the ground, right?
so low. Goodness. Yeah, this is raw.
Oh, Oh, this is gonna be sick. Fuel pumps prime. That does it. I want one. We also have this replica Countach. I mean, this is insane. See the inside. I forgot what this one is. It's a Lotus, yeah. I like this one a lot too. And this one's sick too. Look at the inside on this. The interior. It's crazy. 6-speed, I think too. And then if we move to the front, I'm not even sure what these are, to be honest. But that's sick. And I think this is an Aston replica. I mean, all these cars are replicas, but it's crazy. Huh? Yeah. Bro blew it. Dipped out of there. I got to give a big thanks to everyone at Total Head Turners. They let us film literally everything. They let us check out the cars. They even started the Ford GT, which was super sick. So like, I don't know what we have planned for the rest of the day, but like that was the high point.
Yeah, it's only 10:30 in the morning.
Yeah, that convinced me that I want one of those replica cars because it's crazy, man. Like we just heard it, and we also asked like what it tops out at. They say around 200 miles an hour with the 302 cubic inch V8. So that car would be nuts. Like,
oh, yeah.
We bring it to the track in Florida, Sebring. That'd be something else, man.
Over, man.
Yes, sir.